So hello friends, today we'll solve how to generate all the binary string with no consecutive ones. So given an integer n and print all the binary strings of size n which do not contain consecutive ones. A binary string is that string which contains only 0 and 1, and in that there must be no consecutive ones. Okay, so there is if the input is n is equals to 3, so then the strings are like triple 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 and 1 0 1. Okay, uh, no consecutive ones are allowed. Okay, so none of the above strings contain consecutive ones, that is 110 is not an answer as it contains ones occurring consecutively, that is 1 1. Okay, 1 followed by 1. Okay, so then you don't need. Okay, so expected time complexity is big of 2 raised to n and the expected auxiliary space is big of n. So we'll solve this problem using recursion. So for example, we have an see, for example, we have an k is equals to 1. Okay, k means whatever the input, the integer. Okay, so if the k is equals to 1, so first thing is we will print 0 and we will print 1. There is no consecutive ones in the 0 and 1. Okay, if the k is equals to 2, we will print 0 0 1 0 and 0 1. So see how recursion works. For example, we have an k is equals to 2, so what we will do, whatever will be the previously all the strings, previously all the, that is 0 and 1. Okay, we will append 0 to it. Okay, so whatever will be the whatever will the its past, we will take all the strings and we will simply append the 0 to it. Okay, and if we have to append the one, we will only take that string, that previous string that contains that ends with 0, and append the one to it. Okay, so similarly, for example, k is equals to 3, so what we will do, we will take all the three and we'll append 0 to it. Okay, so 0 0 0 0 0, that is 1 0 and append 0 to it, and 0 1 and append 0 to it. Okay, and for appending 1, we will only take the previous that are ends with 0, so we'll take only these two. Okay, we will take only these two, that is 0 0 and 1 0, and append 1 to it. Okay, so for example, for k is equals to 4, for k is equals to 4, what we'll do, we will take all the five string and append 0 to it. Okay, for ends with, that is a 0 0 0, append 0 to it, again 1 0 0, append 0 to it, again 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0, sorry, 0 1 0, append 0 to it. Then next is okay, so I will take to the down. Okay, so for k is equals to 0, for k is equals to 4, sorry, for k is equals to 4. Okay, the first three string that are ends with 0, and we appended 0 to it, and we'll also take 0 0 1 and again append, that is these two strings, these two previous strings. Okay, and 1 0 1 and append 0 to it, and for to append 1, we will only take the strings that are ending with 0. Okay, that is 0 0 uh, 0 triple 0 and append 1 to it, and there is 1 0 0, append 1 to it, and 0 1 0 and append 1 to it. So see, there are no any consecutive ones in the string. Okay, so this is for k is equals to 4. Comment down for k is equals to 5. So now we'll code for it. Okay, so first thing is, okay, so there is a vector string, we need to return the vector of strings that contains the strings. Okay, so what we'll do, first we'll create the vector string over here, vector string, which is our result. Okay, okay, inside that, what we'll do, we'll create one function that is generate, and we will call the same function recursively. Okay, so generate, what we'll pass the number, we will pass the last digit, as we always need the last digit to check to append the zero, to append the 0 to it or to append the 1 to it. Okay, so for that purpose we need the last digit, then the string. Okay, as it always return a string, so it will not return string. We Okay, we'll see. Then these will return nothing. Void generate. First one is int num, then there will be int the last digit, then there will be a string. That is our answer. So what we will do, whenever our whenever okay, see, first thing is base case. Okay, what is the base case to return? So base case is that whenever our string, that is k, first we'll pass the k, that is equals to 3. Whenever we will decrement it, and whenever it will be 0, at that time we will simply add the string into our vector. Okay, so we'll see how to see. For example, if our num is equals to 0, at that time what we will do, at that time we'll raise push back our 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 push back our answer to it. Okay, and we'll return. And as we always append the 0 to all the substrings, all the strings that are passed, so we will simply call the generate function, and our num is k minus 1, and the last digit is 0, and the whatever will the answer, we will append 0 to it. Okay, and we will append the 1 only if the last digit, that is this, we will append 1 only when the last digit is a 0. Only that time we will append the 1. So we'll check if the last digit is equals to 0. Only then we will append. Only then we will append. Only then we will append. Okay, the last digit is now 1, and then we will append answer plus 1. Okay, only then we will append the answer equals to 1. Okay, so now whenever we call the generate function, it will add all the strings into the result vector, and will simply return the result. Okay, so whenever first thing is whenever our value is 3, for let us suppose our value is 3, what it will do, first it will be go to the generate function, then num is not equals to 3, so it will be generate k minus 1. So k minus 1 means it goes to the 2, it will goes to the 2, k equals to 2, and it will generate the answers, it will generate all the strings that ends with 0. Okay, that means generates it generates 0 0 and 1 0 first, then it will again call, then it will be again called recursively and generate all the strings. Okay, so we try to compile the code. Okay, so expected output is this, and there is error. Okay, we'll see what is the error. There is a int num. Okay, so there is a num. String has not been declared. Okay, sorry, there must be string. S must be small. Okay, there is a problem, that is key was not declared. Okay, sorry, there must be not key, there must be num over there, and there is also num. Okay, there is a problem, last digit was not declared. Okay, sorry, the last digit is initially 0. Okay, So it is working well. So we try to submit it. Okay, it is works well. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much.